I am here to address Mr. Vikraman, who undertook the business of Kungnadu Surveyor. He started the business in the year 2015 and company is located in Ramnagar, Coimbatore. Vikraman was born on 11th February 1990 in Coimbatore. His father name is Palanisamy. He worked as a sales manager in Aarti Automobiles, and his mother name is Kandamani. She works as a manager in Food Corporation of India. Vikraman done his schooling in GKD Matriculation High Secondary School in Peranaikambalayam and finished the schooling in the year 2007. And he joined a diploma in Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya College and completed in the year 2010. And he joined BE Civil Engineering in SNS College of Technology and graduated in the year 2013. And he joined MTech Structural Analysis in Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore, and graduated in the year 2015. After completing his studies, he had a thought to go for a job and to gain some experience in it. But his father advised him to start a new business with his good leadership. He took a loan and started a business with zero experience and invested 5 lakh rupees in it. Before starting the business, he had a financial risk and a market risk and a highly competitive risk. And after starting the business, he didn't get any bright construction survey and measuring survey. He did the market for architecture and civil engineers. He just analyzed the market in two types. One is competitive analysis. By utilizing the competitive working method, for example, the competitor quotation is rupees 5 lakhs, and to win against the competitor, we have to work in a less amount with a good quality of a product and a good service. Second one is market analysis. He analyzes the product with regards to the market, whether it is useful to customers or public. And market will follow the traditional methods and he will follow the model markets. And he done some survey projects like L&T construction and electrical substation project in Chennai and Adiyogi 112 feet statue in Isha, and Samraj 500 T estate has done survey in measuring it Noti, and NLC 1000 acres has done survey for solar plant, and he done the welfare for employees by giving them food accommodation and staying accommodation and giving them a salary at a current date. In pandemic situation, he gave a full amount of salary to all employees, and there is a flexible work timings. If the task is completed, they can move back to home, and there is a work from home option is given to all employees. And he advises the youngsters while starting a new business, you should have a proper backup and do the work sincerely. And he believes that success is not a destination, success is a journey. Thank you.